She's back or whatever. Hey, sis. I see you. I see you seeing me. If you're confused, it's okay. I was for most of this. Don't worry. Trust the process, okay? So, yes, this is, it's a look. It's, trust the process, okay? Trust the process. So, yeah, I definitely put the picture up on the screen of what we're going for today. Now, I know the eye makeup is different. Here's the thing. I have very, very hooded eyelids, and those type of winged eyeliner looks don't work too well for me. So I ended up doing it this shape, and I know I'm sure you're like, well, that doesn't look any better. I know, yes, I agree. But here's the thing. When I put lashes on and the whole look comes together, yes, ma'am. So I'm gonna put up a picture of when I first did this eye shape. Now, when I first did this eye shape, it was not the plan, but it worked out in the end. So that's what I went for this time, and I stuck to the colors um, that he used in for the face chart. So I did like a red, brown, obviously black, and then white in the crease. This is a very like drag eye, but we all know I'm a drag queen at heart. Let's get to these products. So for eyeliner, I used Maybelline's New York Eye Studio. It's just a black cream eyeliner. Now to make this really really smooth, I mixed in some of my Inglot Duraline, and then for the white eyeliner, and for the white eyeshadow, I put a white base down. It's from NYX. That's what it looks like. So for the crease, I used the Zulu by Juvia's. She has been through the ringer, y'all. Like, look at the back. She has been through it. The inside is no better. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I used this brown right here in the corner. And then for black eyeshadow, I used this changeable fantasy palette. This is a knockoff James Charles palette. I used the matte black. Honestly, you could probably just use just this eyeshadow palette for this look. I just really like the brown in the Zulu palette. As you can see, she's almost out of it. So, and for eyeshadow base, I'm back to using my Make a Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour in the color C8. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Y'all have seen this before on my channel because I just ran out of my NYX, my other NYX eyeshadow base. And yeah, this, it may look complicated, but I promise you it's actually very easy. You just gotta be patient, especially with black eyeliner. So we're gonna get right to it. Oh, totally forgot the spots. I think these are leopard spots. So yeah, for the black cheetah print, leopard print, I'm just gonna use my water activated face paint that I got in a set of like huge set from Amazon. All right, let's get to it, sis. I never tell y'all what brushes I'm using because I mean, it is what it is. 80, what 80? Stop. Okay, I use the e.l.f. small smudge brush to do the eyeliner. And my advice to you is to pull your skin taut so you can really get a smooth, crisp line. Is if you're like me and you have hooded eyelids, you have extra skin, and that tends to snag when you're doing eyeliner, especially cream eyeliner or cake eyeliner, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I advise you to like pull your skin taut or just like really, really stretch your eye to get a really smooth line. You want to make sure that when you're looking forward that you are able to see it, because my liner gets tucked under this piece of skin and it annoys me. So make sure you're constantly looking in the mirror with your eyes open to make sure that you're getting that really nice curve to your eyeliner and to make sure you can actually see it, because right now you know you can't see it. So that's something you gotta make sure you keep your eye open and pull it taut so you can get that really nice swoop, you know, that swoop. You see it. Oh, who is she? My mind, my talent. Anyways, girl, sis, sir, ma'am, it was a journey to get here. I'm so thankful for editing because holy, it has been an adventure for a lifetime to get to this point because oh boy, do I have things to tell you. Okay, so let me give you the rundown. For lips, I used NYX lip glass. It's a lip gloss if you never heard of it before. It's a lip gloss, but they call it a lip glass. But MAC's lip glass in the color See Through. It's just a creamy beige lip gloss. Excuse, I have paint and eyeliner everywhere. If y'all can see this room, a mess. We're moving on. The lip liner I can't show you because I finished it and I threw it away because it was like that big. So I finished it. But yeah, it's by NYX in the color dark brown. And for lipstick, I used MAC's Flesh Pot. Again, just another creamy nude beige color. Lashes, I'll put that on the screen. Highlight, I used this. Please move, thank you. I used the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, and it is called Nubia. I use Nubia for my highlight and Zakaya for my blush, but I mean y'all don't really care about blush. Y'all can see right there on the white I put some glitter. It is Urban Decay's Heavy Metal and Midnight Cowboy. Yeah, Midnight Cowboy. So yeah, it's just a really pretty champagne gold glitter liner. So I'm gonna give you a close up. I really like how this turned out. I think this look would be amazing with a red lip. But I stuck with the nude because I wanted to stay true to the picture that I got my inspiration from. So yeah, onto this wig. Whoever, I got this wig from my godmama. Hey girl. Whoever cut this wig did not know what they were doing. So this wig has a part right here, but it's a C part. It's curved. But let me show y'all something. If you pull all the hair to the front, you sit up. Do we see a difference here? We see about a 2-inch difference in cut right here. This is up here, and this is down here by my chichi. Who cut this wig? Now, mind you, I actually pulled this wig over to my right side because I like my part to be on the right side and I like to swoop to the left. So yeah, I actually pulled it more to the right, and it's still like not even. Like this is all the hair to the front. And it's still, so I flat ironed it to see if it'll lay down, and it laid down a little bit, but it's a mess. So I'm trying to like spread it out so it won't look as bad, but whoever cut this wig did not know what they were doing. But you know, I made it work. I like either short or long because I like this wig. I love the texture of this wig. This wig is like a kinkier texture. So it flat irons beautifully. And we're moving on, says yes. So yes, it has been a journey. I know y'all can probably see that I gotta fix that, but girl, we move, sis, we move. I am tired. I have been sitting here for too many hours. I am done with this look, but yeah, I really like this look. I really recommend doing this look. It's really fun because at first I wasn't sure about the spots, and I'm like, ooh, but it's actually, doing the spots was actually kind of fun and relaxing because you could just doodle on your face, and it went by pretty fast. I was not about to use some tiny little detail brush. Girl, we ain't got time for that. So yeah, I think my spots came out pretty true to the picture. But I've been talking for way too long, so Miss Thang, stay in your lane. Drink your water, wash your hands, cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. I told y'all how to do it. I said in your shirt or in your shirt. That way you don't let the particles particulate in the air. I don't know, that's not a word. Don't listen to me. But listen to me. Don't listen to me, but listen to me. Wear your mask if you have to go out, and only go out for essential items, or if you have to go to work, you gotta go to work. You gotta go to work. Okay? Now while you're doing all that, you know what you need to do. You have to take your vitamins.